That is bigger than I expected. Spring is certainly round the corner, and I think for most garden lovers it's that anticipation of seeing flowering bulbs. But for me, it's getting on the lawn and cutting some grass. Because there is no better feeling than seeing a lovely pristine lawn, or that smell of beautiful lush grass. But not only that, at this time of the year, manufacturers are releasing a host of brand new technology. So today's video is all about the brand new Segway Navimows. Now, the question you're probably all asking, is it just another robotic lawnmower? Well, we are going to do a deep dive into each model and check out all the features and what's new. Now, if you've come and clicked onto this video to see cut grass, unfortunately, this is going to be the wrong one for you. This video is all about what is inside the box. What are the features, the benefits, and the build quality of these brand new models, and what makes it set out from the rest on the market. You may be tech savvy and you want to see what the future holds. You may already own a Segway Navimow and want to add to the fleet, or it could be your first robotic mower and you want to see what Segway Navimow holds for you. Now, being an ex-dealer of Segway Navimow, I personally thought they were missing a trick. There was never a four-wheel drive version or a large area mower until now, because they now have the i2 series, the i2 LiDAR, and the X4 all-wheel drive. So each model is very different in their own class, and they are definitely designed for different gardens. So let's start off with the i2 series, get out of the box and see what's inside. They are always very well packaged, there's no getting away from it. Number one box out first, then number two, and then number three, which is our accessory box. So what I want to try and do is make this video simple, because there is a lot of jargon, a lot of terms that can be quite confusing. So break it down into bite-sized pieces so you know what this machine does compared to the rest of them. Anyway, let's get it out and see what's under the cover. Look at that. That is smart. So if you saw some of our reviews we'd done on Segway Navimows last year, you may have seen a little chappy that was very similar to this. Well, that was the standard I-Series. This is all-wheel drive, meaning it drives on every single wheel. This model is the i208, designed for 800 meter square gardens. There's an i206 designed for 600 meter square gardens, and an i205 designed for 500 meter square gardens. But it's under the cover where it gets a little bit more techie, because we have drive on these wheels and we have drive on this wheel here, but it also turns. Meaning this machine is a more compact all-wheel drive version for those smaller, more demanding gardens. So that all-wheel drive system allows this machine to mow slopes of 45%. Not only that, it has electronic stability control, meaning if it's mowing along a slope, it's going to keep that straight line. It's not going to tail off like some other competitors on the market. So this system is also on demand, meaning when it gets to challenging terrain, it can turn itself on. But when it doesn't need it, it can turn itself off, giving 30% better battery efficiency. And this is where it gets a little bit funky, because this machine has automatic mapping, drop and mow function. Put it on your lawn and it maps the garden automatically in one click. Now the next thing is it's antenna free. You don't need to physically have an antenna to run this machine. There is one supplied in the box if your garden isn't quite suitable to give better stability, but imagine having this machine all installed without a stick, with a little dongle on the top. So there's an upgraded NRTK system with EFLS exact fusion locating system. Couple that up with the vision fence we got on the front, we got a tri-frequency locating system. And with the AI vision fence camera fitted to the front of it, it means if you've got a complex lawn where you've got narrow corridors, you've got canopies where this machine may not get that satellite signal, it knows where it's going to go and where it's going to mow in every single lawn. Right, so before we move on to mower 2, let's check out the other features of this machine. Comes with manual height adjustment, with 5 swing tip blades. So it comes as standard with the extra traction wheels. It's got this handy LCD screen. Now I really like the status ring color on this height adjuster. So it's all controllable via the app as well. So you can schedule your mowing plans all from your phone. This model has also won a series of awards, including the TUV Rhineland Award for zero turn and lawn care capabilities. So that is the smaller, compact, all-wheel drive version from Segway. Let's move on now to the LiDAR version. Now, what the hell is LiDAR? Well, LiDAR is Segway's brand new mapping system that creates a 3D image of your garden. So the i2 LiDAR system creates its own reliable navigation system, meaning that if you've got narrow paths, you've got dense vegetation, this machine is always going to know where it's to on your lawn area. Now, this pioneering LiDAR tech basically pinpoints and scans the area over 200,000 points per second to make sure it is mapping it absolutely meticulously. Something like this that is on the screen now. So if it's day or night, or if you've got these complex gardens, this machine is always going to know where it's to. So this increase in cameras on the front gives you 4 times higher resolution, a 70-meter long detection range, and 50 millisecond scan interval. Now there's 3 models in the range, the 208, 210 and 220, 800 meters squared, 1000 meters squared and 2000 meters squared capabilities. So this model is actually 2-wheel drive, but it is still rated at 45%. You still get the standard extra traction wheels on there, and obviously you do get the swing tip blades on there. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 blades on there. Now, standard features you get with all these models is you get the LCD screen. You obviously get that halo telling you the status of the machine as well. So it also comes with Edge Sense border trimming technology. So moving back round to the cameras, it also comes with that standard vision fence you get on most Segway models. It's AI powered, so you know you can pick up over 200 obstacles. So if you've got pets or you've got anything that's overhanging, this machine is going to pick it up. And just like the i2 series all-wheel drive, it comes with that dropper mode function, automatic mapping. It's IP66 rated, it's got a 3-year warranty. You can connect it to your smartphone. There's no perimeter wires and there's no antenna. So that is the new LiDAR from Segway. Let's get on to the X4. Now I think this has got to be the most exciting model, and obviously, you know, I've got to leave it till last. This thing is all-wheel drive and it will mow up to 84%. 84%! I'm super excited to get this one out of the box. Now this is the 420. This is designed for 2,000 meter square gardens. They also do a 450 that is designed for 5,000 meter square gardens. Where do I start? It's well packaged to say the least. Look, it's almost got wheel warmers like they do in the F1. What a racer. Right. I think it's about 28, 29 kilos. Oh, hang on, let me get the box weight. That is bigger than I expected. Right, so let's flip it over because I think this is where all the exciting features actually lie. Now, first of all, we have got dual suspension systems. So both the front wheels automatically adjust to the conditions that they're driving on. And then the rear wheel, again, that pivots. You've got 2 180 watt motors driving 12 blades. Now the blades here, if you see, you've got 1 blade inside and you've also got 1 blade outside. So basically it's giving like twice the cutting performance of a standard blade setup, obviously twin bladed as well. So it also has that Edge Sense technology which trims within 5 centimeters of edging. So during mapping and ride on mode, it automatically adapts to the boundaries and transitions of your garden. So it also has a floating deck system which is called Momentum, which means if you've got complex garden areas, it's not going to scalp your lawn, and it's going to give you a superior finish. Now the other cool feature with this one is got eccentric steering. So imagine your wheels are straight now. These wheels will go in on themselves like so, whereas others on the market, they basically either churn up the ground or they work backwards to each other so that they spin a bit like a tank. That is a cool feature. Now I think the other thing I really like about it is its low center of gravity. It's a little bit like a bug in your garden. Now having that low center of gravity and a 5x5 axis weight distribution, it basically means you're going to have better traction control on slopes. And with those wheels, if it's turning on a slope, it's certainly not going to churn up your garden. There's a lot of things going for this mower. And just look at all the cameras on the front. Obviously you've got your vision fence, your 360-degree camera there, but you've got all-round vision. So if there's any pets or anything that is in the garden that is moving, you know that this machine is going to pick it up. So safety is paramount with Segway Navimow mowers. So it also comes with intelligent path planning and auto mapping as standard. Now the other thing I think is really handy with this machine is it can climb curbs that are 70 millimeters high. So if you've got curbstones or you've got a path it wants to go over, with a lot of other machines on the market, they're just not going to cope with it. Whereas with this, with the traction it's got on it and that all-wheel drive capability, it's going to be so capable in a lot of complex gardens. So obviously they all come with base stations for self-charging. Again, this one doesn't need an antenna to be run, but this machine, super fast charging on this one, 224 watts of charging power or performance, which will charge this machine up from flat in less than 75 minutes. And that in turn gives around 90 minutes of runtime on a full charge. So I think to sum it up, we could say this is smart and simple, smart and strong, smart and professional. Now, have you got a steep garden and you want to see how this machine actually works? Well, you better stay tuned, because I'm going to find somewhere that is pretty complex and it's going to be steep, because I want to push this thing to the max, and I'm going to be bringing you a video very, very shortly on the new X4, so stay tuned for that. So hopefully you found this video informative. It's a little bit of a buyer's guide, I suppose, to see what new technology Segway is bringing out in 2026. If you did like the video and you did find it of interest, please ding that notification bell and like this video, and hopefully we'll see you in the next one to check out that brand new X4. Anyway, see you in the next one. Cheerio.